Hey, Phil here, and welcome to this brand new section in the Photography Masterclass all about aerial and drone photography. This is an exciting section that I know a lot of students have asked for in the past, and we wanted to make sure we covered it in this Photography Masterclass. So what this section is all about is how you take better photos with a drone or doing aerial photography. So if you have the chance to get up in a helicopter or you're flying in an airplane or something like that, or maybe a hot air balloon, however you're up in the sky, we want to help you take better photos. What this section is not is a complete walkthrough of a specific drone and how to use a specific drone. We want to, like the rest of this class, make sure that no matter what equipment you're using, you're going to get tips and be able to take better photos with this section. So we're going to be going over our favorite and recommended equipment. We will be going over some basic camera settings that you might have in your drone, or of course you'll be using your own photos if you're up in the sky yourself. And then we're going to be putting into practice with a demonstration. So it's going to be an exciting section. We hope that you enjoy it, and let's dive right in.